Hello friends, I am Pankaj and in this lesson we will learn about process management. This lesson has the following objectives. So let's start this presentation. The first topic is what is process. So process is a program under execution when a program loads into the CPU or when a program is allocated the CPU, then the program is known as process. So process is an active entity and every computer the work is measured by the process. So process is a unit of work and process and job are used interchangeably. Process comprises of the following four sections: stack, heap, data and text. Stack stores the temporary variables, return addresses and the function parameters, while heap stores the dynamic allocated variables. Data stores the global variables and text stores the current activity represented by the counter register. So the process management. Every process requires some hardware resources in order to execute in the system. So the hardware resources are RAM and CPU, and these RAM and CPU are allocated by some process management implemented by the operating system. Process management includes the following things: allocating and delocating of the CPU to the process. Allocation is done by the kernel based on some suitable scheduling algorithm. What is scheduling algorithm? We will learn about scheduling algorithm in future lectures. First, uh, learn about this. The process management allocates or reallocates the CPU to a process. Suppose a program is placed in a memory, in a secondary memory, say program P1. Then this program P1 is loaded into the main memory. Again, this is a program and the program has a state known as ready state, and now the kernel will switch it and transfer it to the CPU or allocate the resources of CPU to this process to execute in the computer. Once this process executes, this process will again go into the suspended or end state. So this is the process management. So what is time slice? In the previous slide, we see that the process is executing in the CPU. The time taken by the process to execute in the CPU or system is known as time slice. Every process has some time slice. The time slice, usually the time slice is ranges between milliseconds. What is kernel and its responsibilities? So kernel is nothing but a middleman. We can say it a middleman between hardware or a software. It interacts with the hardware and operating system. It establishes the communication between user and the user level application and the hardware. It decides the state of incoming process. It decides whether a process should transfer to running state from ready state or not. It controls the disk management. It controls memory management or also task management. Possible reasons of computer slowness. There are two possible reasons by which a computer can slow down. The first one is the first one is when a process is taking more time slice than it should. In that case, the computer becomes slow, and we have to manually go to the manage, uh, task management and then end the process or kill that process. The next thing is that when too many processes requesting the same requesting the CPU at the same time, then CPU cannot keep up with them. This can also be the reason when the computer gets slow. Thanks for watching this video, and this is all about it. Like, share and subscribe this video.